Mates, it's me, Selena. Today I'ma just join my friend XX Mini Cookie 12XX in Bloxburg, cause why not? And I'm bored because I'm always bored, and you know. Awkward silence. Anyways, okay, we're there. Where is XX? Oh, there she is. Over there. I'm clicking. No, I'm clicking her. Ooh. Yeah. Waiting for a game, and it's gonna take a long time because this thing doesn't wanna let me play the game because they don't like me for some reason, and they probably do not like me, and they probably do like. Okay, I'm gonna stop because it's annoying. Randomize because I don't even have premium. Oh my god, why won't you let me touch anything? Day one, I get. I don't even know. Oh, this is day. Someone just help. Oh my god, my car is glitched. Why is my door opened? Oh, it's not opened, it's invisible. Wow, I'm lagging so much. Yeah, she wants me to XX Mini Cookie 12XX wants me to call her Moon. So yeah. When am I ever oh, there we go. My car's not glitched anymore. I'm gonna just find her. Oh my god, this house is huge. Bouncy, 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 bouncy. Okay. I'm not going camping. Oh my god, I just crashed into a tree. I'm really bad. Oh! Why I haven't been hearing noises in Roblox is because I forgot that. Oh my god. Ugh. Oh my god, shut this thing. No, please stop. This is my own. It's really cringe. Why won't this thing run? Finally! Okay, there we go. Let's go to settings. Volume off. Oh my god. Ah, my ears! This is louder than me. Okay, maybe we can make the volume a bit lower. I think this would be good. Okay, now time to find my friend before she randomly leaves. Come on, come on. Oh my god, this is still louder than me. Okay, I think this is better. Why is this so loud? Okay. Oh my god. I just crashed into water. Whoa. See that? 10 out of 10 tricks. Wait, what's that? I think I used the starter hazard. Oh, good. Okay. Oh, finally I found her. Oh my god. What the heck? Oh, I think this is where she didn't give me perms, which is really sad. Oh, dang it. Okay, you know what? Because this is too boring. And bye, mates, because this is boring.